Let's stir up the most perfect pineapple delight dessert. What you'll need for this is half a box of Nilla vanilla wafers, 2 cups of half and half cream, quarter cup of melted butter, 2 small tins of pineapple tidbits or crushed pineapple, quarter cup of silvered almonds, and a half cup of sweetened coconut. This is a serving size for about 4 to 6 people, so let's get started. First, you're going to crush your wafers and add them to a baking dish, and then you're going to add your melted butter to this. You're going to ensure the butter is mixed really well into the wafers, as this is going to serve as the basis of your dessert. Make sure it's spread evenly and then press down gently with a fork to ensure this is solid and is evenly distributed. Next, you're going to add your pineapples. As you can see, I had the pineapple tidbit cans, but I decided to crush them because I like it a bit smoother, but you can leave it as is if you prefer. The taste is exactly the same. You're going to ensure that the pineapples are spread evenly on top of the wafers, because when you're going to cut into the layers, you want to see the beauty of it. Then add your almonds to this as well. You can be as generous as you want with the almonds, as they add a really nice crunch to the dessert. Next, you're going to add your half and half cream. I decided to whip my half and half a little bit to apply a bit more texture to this, and then get it all out and ensure that when you're adding it to your baking dish that you're spreading it evenly across the pineapple and the almonds. Now, if you're using a fork, you want to be gentle with this because you do not want this to be mixed all together, as it will not look nice. When you go to cut it, you're going to want to see the layers of the wafer, the pineapple, and the cream on top, and it would just look scrumptious. Once you're done, you're going to add a bit more almonds to this, because why not? Who doesn't love almonds, right? So we're going to add a bit more almonds, and then we're going to top it off with our last ingredients, which is a sweetened coconut. This just reminds you of being at the beach, having a pina colada, with the coconut and the pineapple, but in this form, you can actually eat it. Now, this is best made overnight, or at least 6 hours before you have to serve it, so it can set well. Cover this with saran wrap and refrigerate it. I'm doing it overnight, but again, you need a minimum of 6 hours for this to be secured. In the morning, I'm going to open my dessert and really hold on to my temptations of not trying to dig a fork in there and eat it, because look how fabulous it looks. My goodness, the layers. Here is a close-up just to show you how beautiful the serving will look, and your guests will love it. Once again, the ingredients for you to screenshot if you wish. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn your notifications on. Until next time, keep stirring it up.